Hello everyone, next we gonna make a beautiful flower. Take a pink color paper and start folding it as shown in the video. Now fold it from both the sides. Again open it and fold it from the between. Now keep folding it as shown in the video. Watch the video very carefully and don't miss out on any steps. After it is completed with the folding, roll it from the top using a pen as shown in the video. Now take a fluorescent paper and make frills out of it and attach it to the flower and it's ready. Next, we're gonna make a beautiful cute mask. Take a printed origami paper and start folding it as we are folding. Don't miss out on any step. Watch the video very carefully. I know folding is little boring, but to make something beautiful, we have to do it. Watch the video and stick it, tuck it inside. Now fold it from the between. Now we will make its band and your beautiful cute mask is ready. Next, we're gonna make a toy. You can call it a stress reliever toy or whatever you want. So take two colored paper, white and pink, and start fixing it as we are doing in this video. After we are completed with fixing, again attach a strip to its end and again start folding as we are doing in this video. Keep folding and keep folding. After that, open it and it's ready. Next, we're gonna make a cute Santa Claus. Take a round shaped paper and stick another paper over it. Now take a white paper and stick it over the red paper. Make its eyes, nose, hat and then cut it little bit as we are cutting. Now using black paper, make its belt, hands and the legs and the cute Santa Claus is ready. Thanks for watching.